Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome to my third video on branding. In this video, we're going to talk about slogans, and I'm going to talk you through the 7 killer rules for coming up with an amazing slogan. Slogans are so important for creating a strong brand, and if you aren't able to use other branding things, the slogan can do it for you. For example, you've walked through a supermarket like Sainsbury's in England, and every now and again you hear them go, "Live well for less." I find myself finishing the slogan for them before they've even finished it. If you want to hyperlink straight to certain bits of the video, please go into the description and click on the timestamp. And if I talk about a training manual, you can just use a notebook, but if you want to use my training manual, click the hyperlink to the training manual. If you want to watch the intro video on how I made $425,000 on Amazon over a 4-year period, then click the intro video, link in the description. Enjoy! Welcome to Module 9 of the Money Spot program. Branding Basics Slogan. Why do you need a corporate slogan? It helps to create a more cohesive and rounded brand. By this, I mean you don't only have a business that has a logo and perhaps some pretty colors, but it's got several facets to it. You can use your slogan in places where it's inappropriate to use your logo. For example, on radio, over public announcement or PA systems in a store or a mall. You can use your slogan to reinforce your brand's message. There are some slogans that 99% of people know. For instance, and I want you to guess before I say the corporate name, I'm loving it. What's that one? McDonald's? Finger licking good. What's that one? KFC? And it just says it all in the name. The food is finger licking good, and it's so hard to forget. And another one that everyone knows is Just Do It, which is, of course, Nike. What are the 7 rules for writing a killer slogan? Firstly, keep it simple. The simpler your slogan is, the more likely it is that people will actually remember it. 2, avoid using foreign words. By this, I mean words that are hardly known or words that are hard to spell. The more hard to spell or foreign your slogan is, the less memorable it is. 3, capture everything that your logo does, but now as a text-based phrase rather than a business name or a symbol. Think from the perspective of the customer's problem rather than according to your wants and needs and tastes. What is your customer looking for when they come to you? When they go to KFC, they want really good chicken. So if it says finger licking good and that's the problem they're facing, then they are going to get that finger licking good chicken. What about McDonald's? They try to create a fun and creative environment. And if you're hungry and you want to eat somewhere that's kind of fun, creative, and lighthearted, that I'm loving it slogan lures you to McDonald's. 4, be funny without being too obscure. Some jokes are only gettable by a minority of people, so if your slogan can be generally funny, then it will be much more memorable. Nothing is as memorable as humor and, of course, a good story. 5, if you use a play on words, make it something your niche will actually get. Don't try to be too clever about it. Clever is all well and good, but it's no good if you're the only one who gets the clever side of your slogan. 6, the slogan should fully capture what your product or brand actually does. In all honesty, Just Do It and I'm Loving It are pretty obscure, but they've been so well promoted, so consistently and persistently over such a prolonged period of time that everyone does indeed know them. Finger licking good is not obscure. It says our chicken is so good you'll lick your fingers and is completely fitting for a fried chicken chain. 7, if you can't come up with something good yourself or don't have a team to brainstorm with, hire someone to help. How do you come up with a fabulous slogan? A slogan doesn't have to cost you anything at all. You can sit down and think of it yourself using the tips we've just discussed and by following the thought process in your training manual. Do the exercises in your training manual to help you think through what would make a fabulous slogan for your particular brand and company, a slogan that will appeal to your fans and be memorable to your fans. In conclusion, your slogan uniquely summarizes what your brand is all about. It's important to have one. Use it widely to remind people what your business represents. Bye. If you enjoyed what you just watched, please smash the like button, subscribe, and importantly, in these COVID times, share it with a friend that might enjoy it as well, and it might help them start or grow their side hustle or business. Enjoy! Click here for the next video and here for whatever YouTube decides to show you.